In this video, we're going to unbox the Gigabyte P450B 450 watts 80 plus bronze certified power supply. Here is the box. Let's unbox it. The first thing we're going to see is this out-of-place paperwork. It's really long. Same instructions but translated to different languages. Here is our standard power cable. We have screws to lock in place the power supply. Here we have the power supply itself. So this power supply is a pre-installed type of power supply, meaning you cannot install external power supply cables, and the integrated cables of this power supply cannot be removed. We have screws to lock in place the power supply. And this silica gel. I promise that I'm not going to throw away this one. The pre-installed cables that comes with the power supply are one motherboard cable, one CPU cable, two PCIe cables for the PCIe components and for the discrete graphics card, 6 SATA cables, 3 peripheral cables, or should I say Molex cables, and 1 floppy cable. Compatibility-wise, in a nutshell, you can install this power supply upside down at the upper part of the case if the power supply layout is at the upper part of the case. This power supply has protection features and gains 85% efficiency at typical load. In my conclusion, this power supply is a good buy and it's enough for my setup to run all of it. I don't have to worry about this power supply since it is bronze certified compared to my last generic power supply that when you run the system it smelled like burnt metal. And before I buy this model, I have already computed how much wattage my system's going to use. That is why I picked the 450 watts version. For your part, you need to take a deeper look on what power supply to buy. It really depends on your system specification of what power supply you're going to need. To help you with that, first find out your system specifications, list all of them, and click the link in the description to calculate how many wattage you're going to use. In there, input every component for every category your system has. After you've done all of that, you're going to see how much wattage you're going to use. Well, that's all for this video. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.